Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to CPU mine FENNEC. Okay guys, so it's been a really good week for FENNEC. As you can see, it's basically pumped give or take around about 350% basically in the past few days, which is absolutely amazing. I wish I started mining a little bit before. So let's just go ahead and show you guys how to mine this, and so you can actually start going ahead and collecting up some FENNEC coins for yourself. So first thing you need to do is go ahead and get yourself over to their website. I'll leave all the links for you guys in the description. Click on the FENNEC wallet at the top there, and that'll take you over to here, depending on which operating system you're on. For myself, I'm on Windows, so all I'm going to need to do is just go ahead and press Windows, and then a download is going to start. Then all you're going to need to do is just create a folder, and then throw all of the files that'll be inside of the FENNEC zip, and then just run the Qt file and just go through the standard installation process for when it comes to installing a wallet. Because as I say, for myself at the moment, I already do have the wallet installed, so this is the file that you would run. Just throw all of these into the same folder so that you don't lose them all. Now once you've actually done this and you've gone ahead, you'll have something that looks a little bit like this, or the exact same as this for say. And then all you need to do is just go ahead and grab yourself a wallet. Now for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to mine on rplant, so just go ahead and just create yourself an rplant wallet, name it whatever you like, press enter, and then just make sure that you go ahead and copy the address, because we're going to need this going forward. Right, so make sure you copied this. Take ourselves over to rplant pool. Now what you need to do is go ahead and find FENNEC on the sidebar, press FENNEC, press connect, and then what we're going to need is you're going to need to get yourself a miner. So for this instance here, let's go ahead and use the CPU miner up for rplant. And then if we go ahead and we click on the Windows version that's there, that'll download. Then Control J if that comes up, and then just keep dangerous file. Okay, go ahead and open the file from the download location, and then what we're going to need to do is we're definitely going to need to make a folder to put all of this in there. So let's just go ahead, create a new folder. Let's call it CPU miner rplant. And then just go ahead and copy all of the files that are in here. For myself, it jumped itself onto my second screen. But okay, so once you've extracted this into your folder, let's take ourselves back over to the rplant, and let's go ahead and get our config set up. Okay, so back over at the pool, what we need to do is go ahead and copy the address that we made before. Take ourselves down to the connect tab, and press on the choose miner. So remember, we picked the CPU miner rplant. So for myself, using Windows, and I'm going to be using Europe. Go ahead and paste in your own wallet address into there. Go ahead and type in the name of the worker. So for myself, I'll just use Ryzen 7, and as you can see here, it's threw us up a little miner CLI example here. So let's just go ahead and press copy on this, and if we take ourselves back over to the CPU miner rplant, if we just go ahead and press on the new, go on text document, call it FENNEC. Let's open it up, paste this in here. Let's go ahead and click on the file, save as, and all we're going to need to do is just put .bat at the end. Just make sure that's in lowercase as well, and then close this off. I do want to save, yeah. And then let me just go ahead and close off my one that I've already got at the moment, and hopefully we should be successfully mining now onto FENNEC. Now I understand that it's pumped up 350%, and if you do take a little look over at the mining pool stats as well, the difficulty has for sure increased since everyone's been jumping on. But at the same time, it's definitely worth taking a look over some of these projects, because I wasn't made aware of it a fair few days ago, and I should have probably just jumped on just to see how it went, because obviously it would have definitely taken a nice 350% profit on there. But I'm going to give it a shot now and see how it goes. I will be doing a 24-hour update on you guys, just to let you know how much I made, and whether it was worthwhile, and whether it was if it's still profitable, or whether it's not at all. But like I say, I'm not sure whether it was directly profitable mining for itself, but as you can see here, because of the coin itself physically is kept pumping, that's basically what's made it profitable at this time, and also, you know, have the interest and people taking a look at it as much as they have done. So let me know down in the comments, did you take a look over at FENNEC? Did you mine some in the past few days? So jumping back over to the miner now, you can actually see that we've started to accept some shares as well. So let's just see, is it possible to see the hash rate on here? No, it's not. That's totally fine. So let's take ourselves back over to the our plant pool. Let's go ahead and just copy our address and paste this in at the top there. If we press enter, because we've sent a few shares through, hopefully it should show us our dashboard and let us know, give or take, how much we're earning and what hash rate we're pushing through. So at the moment it's just showing 790, and like I say, at the moment, guys, this is a test on the Ryzen 7 3700X, and not sure exactly, like I say. Let's have a look here. So we can see here the hash rate that it's kicking through. So is that's kicking through 1 kilohash from the looks of it at the moment, and there isn't any undervolting or overvolt or anything like that happen on this CPU at the moment. This is just stock as is. So like I say, if we just leave it, and if I keep clicking it for some reason, it keeps stopping it. So if we take ourselves back over to the FENNEC pool, there was a calculator on here. Like I said, always do take these calculators provided by Minerstat with a pinch of salt. So with 1 mega hash, so I'm assuming that would